Hello students, welcome to VBPS online e-learning classes. This time is computer period. Students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Students, in previous video I already explained the MS Excel window. I hope all of you understood this topic. Any doubt, any problem, so you can ask me. Okay, today's topic, using compound formula. Using compound formula. Compound means mixture. Compound means two or more than operator या sentences mixture. So let's start. Chapter 3. Topic is using compound formula. Take out your book, chapter number 3, page number 27. Using compound formula. Compound formulas are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. Compound complex. Compound formula are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. Let us use it is to calculate a simple interest. We are using the result of the simple interest to solving the simple interest by using the formula. See the formula. Formula is equals to. All of you know this is the most important part. Equals to. You have to write the formula. So first of all you have to equals to sign. P means principal. P multiply star is indicated by multiply sign. Okay, so P multiply R multiply T upon 100. P multiply R multiply T upon 100. This the formula is a simple interest. So let's start. See the full forms. P for, see the table, 3.2. All of you see now? Principal, that means P equals to P, that means principal. R for rate, R for rate. Rate is indicated by short form R. T is the time, so T is indicated by the time upon 100. See the formula, see this table. Principal is 4,500. Rate is a 5, and time in a year 3. So we have write the formula because the simple interest is answer now. Give the answer of simple interest. So first of all you have to write the equals to sign. Two methods are given. First method, content, you have to write the constant value, and second one is cell address. So for B2 equals to B means column and row is 2. So cell address name is B2. So you have to write B2. B2 multiply by B3. Then B4 upon 100. This is the formula of simple interest. And press the enter key. So all of you got the answer. Okay. See, enter the data as shown the figure 3.2. Now follow the given step. Click on the cell B6 and type equals to. Then click on the cell B2. The cell address of B2 appears in the cell B6. Right now, B6. B means column and 6 is row. So B6 is the cell address. So the formula you have to write B6 cell address now. Okay. Type the symbol. Symbol is a multiply symbol. Click on the cell of B3. Again the type of symbol in the cell B6. फिर से हम क्या करेंगे? Again we have to write B3, then B4. Time ना? Again you have to write B4 upon followed by the 100 in the cell is B6. Then after press the enter key. The cell B6 is display calculate simple interest. Now that the result appear in the cell, but the actual formula is visible on the formula bar. See the formula bar? Actual formula is visible now. Okay. Students, any doubt, any problem in this topic, so you can ask me. I will give a table. So all of you draw the table in your rough copy. Okay. Students, see the table. First of all, you have to write the name. Suppose that the student's marks is the total marks and obtained marks. You have got the percentage. All of you got the percentage. So how many percentage in the particular students? Suppose that name is A, B, C. Suppose that 3 students in my class. Total marks is 30 या 20 कर लेते हैं 20. Okay, total marks is 20 and got the marks, that means obtained marks is 18, 19 and 17. Okay, C, student C is got the 17 marks. Now students, this time is a formula. Okay, so first of all you have to write the symbol sign is equals to sign C2. So write the C2. Obtained marks is a C2. Then multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Then upon B2. Total value is see the B2. So the formula is C2 multiply 100 by B2. Okay. All of you write the formula, then you have got the answer. Thank you students.